Today I'm here to share how we transformed our yard with Jonathan Green's Black Beauty seed. This stuff is amazing, and we started last fall and now we're into spring and we're on our second seeding, so I'll tell you how it went. We have been working on this yard for years and we've tried other grass seeds and nothing seems to work, and so last fall what we did is we bought a Dethatcher, which is amazing, and we dethatched our whole yard, which was so needed and it probably hadn't been done for many years. After we dethatched the whole yard, we raked it up and bagged it. Once we did that, we went to seeding, so we put down the Jonathan Green seed and then put sheep and peep over it. Here's a list of all the different grasses that are included within the seeds. After we put sheep and peep over it, we watered it about 4 times per day to keep the soil moist, and it germinated within 2 weeks. Now that it's springtime, we did the process again, except for this time we did not dethatch because we didn't want to mess with any of the new grass that we did in the fall. After another 2 weeks of laying the seed down, putting the sheep and peep, and then watering 4 times per day, we are now seeing the fruit of our labor. Our yard looks amazing and it's so lush and green, and there are still some spots that the seed didn't take, so we're going back and manually adding those, but man, this is the best our yard has ever looked. The grass is also super green and very fluffy. You can see here where it's filled in a complete bare spot. There is one section in the back where we reseeded an entire dirt patch and it looks like a different color from the rest of our grass, so I definitely recommend doing it all at once.